How to fix EA your credentials have expired. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will see how we can fix if your EA credentials have expired or if you have that error message. So without further delay, let's get started. So whenever you try to log in with your credential, if it says your credential have expired, now go to the login page, and here now you could request for the new password. Here you can go to forget your password, click on this link, and that's gonna take you to next page where you can recover your password. If you could recover your password and then then try to log in with your newly created password, and that may help you solve your problem. But in case if you cannot log in with your new password, or if you cannot create a password, then the second option is to clear the browsing data. So once you're here, click on the three dot icon at the top right corner, and from here you have to head towards settings. Now once you're under settings, navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side, click on privacy and security. Under privacy and security, click on first option, delete browsing data, and from here select all of this option, click on delete data. Once you have deleted your browsing history, cookies and other site data, cached images and files, now you can refresh your browser once again and then try to log in with your credential, and that will help you solve your problem. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.